Chapter 13 Pythagoras Theorem Standard 7th Maths Practice Set 49. Find the Pythagorean triplets from among the following sets of number. So, before we start this exercise, in a previous practice set, we learned about this Pythagoras formula. What does Pythagoras formula says? That hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. मतलब ये हुआ कोई भी राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल का जो सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट होता है ना, सबसे लंबा वाला साइड, उसका स्क्वायर करोगे एंड देन बाद में बाकी दो साइड का स्क्वायर करके ऐड करोगे तो इसका आंसर और इसका आंसर सेम होगा. So this is said to be Pythagoras theorem formula. So in this we will follow this rule only. So let's see how to solve these sums. Now first sums they have given 3, 4, 5. 3 numbers are given, therefore they have said triplets. क्या ये Pythagorean triplet है क्या? So among these greatest 5 is the greatest. तो बाय पाइथागोरस फार्मूला 5 स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू बाकी जो दो स्मॉल साइड है ना उसका हम स्क्वायर बताएंगे, उसको बेस और हाइट एज्यूम करेंगे. हाइपोटेनस स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू बेस स्क्वायर प्लस हाइट स्क्वायर. यहाँ दिया नहीं है, सबसे बड़े वाले को हाइपोटेनस एज्यूम करेंगे, बाकी दो नॉर्मल बेस एंड हाइट. सो नाउ 3 3 is 9. 4 4s are 16. 9 plus 16, 25. 5 5s are 25. And here again 25. ये जो स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर का मतलब हुआ वही नंबर अपने आप में मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो here we get 25 equals to 25. That means ये प्रूफ हो गया कि 5 स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 3 square plus 4 square. So they are therefore 3, 4 and 5 are Pythagorean triplets. Okay? हमको बस ये देखना है कि दोनों सेम आ रहा है क्या नहीं. यहाँ पे दोनों का आंसर सेम था तो इट इज़ पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट. लेट्स सी क्विकली रेस्ट अदर्स. यहाँ ग्रेटेस्ट हुआ 5, रेस्ट इज 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर. सो 5 5 is 25, 2 2 is 4, 4 4 is 16. Here it becomes 20 and 25. See, 25 is not equal to 20. So therefore 2, 4 and 5 are not a Pythagorean triplets. Okay. Third sums. Now greatest is 6. So 6 square and another 2 left is 4 and 5. So 6 6 are 36, 4 4 are 16, 5 5 are 25. So 16 plus 25 is equals to 41 and here 36. So they are not equal. So therefore 4, 5 and 6 are not a Pythagorean triplets. Sixth, greatest is 7. So 7 square equals to 2 square plus 6 square. 7 7s are 49. 2 2s are 4, 6 6 are 36. 49 plus 36 is 40. So again they are not equal. So therefore 2, 6, 7 are not a Pythagorean triplets. Now, fifth one, greatest is 41. So, 41 square equals to 9 square plus 40 square. So, 41 square is equals to 1681 and 9 square is 81, 40 square is 1600. So, 1681 and here also 1681. So, both are equal. That means, therefore, 9, 40 and 41 are a Pythagorean triplets. Now, sixth sums. 4, 7, 8. So, greatest is 8. So, that means according to Pythagoras theorem formula, hypotenuse square, greatest square is equals to square of other two sides. So, 8 square, 8 8 is 64, 4 4 is 16 and 7 7 is 49. So, 9 plus 6, 15, 1 carry, 5 6, 65 and 64. They are not equal. So, therefore, 4, 7, 8 are not a Pythagorean triplets. Next subheading, the sides of some triangles are given below. Find out which ones are right angle triangle. We have to use in same pattern with the help of Pythagoras theorem formula. See, in first sums 8, 15, 17. 17 is the greatest number. इसमें 17 सबसे greatest number हुआ. So 17 square according to hypotenuse and other two, ये base और height इसको assume करते. So by Pythagoras theorem formula 17 sum 289. See, you just have to multiply like this, 17 into 17, 7 7 are 49, 7 1 is 7, 11, 1 7 is 7, 1 1 is 1, 289. Then 8 8 is 64 and 15 15 is 225. So, after adding this 5 plus 6, 8, 2, both left hand side and right hand side equal to के इस तरफ होता है left hand side and this side it is right hand side. So, both are equal. So, therefore, this it is a right angle triangle. Second sums 11, 12, 15. So, 15 is the greatest. So, 15 square equals to 11 square plus 12 square. हर बार बस हमको ये देखना है कौन सा बड़ा नंबर है तो उसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, बाकी दो राइट हैंड साइड में ऐड करेंगे. सो 15 15 ज़ा 225 अभी हमने किया था. देन 11 11 ज़ा 121, 12 12 ज़ा 144. So, after adding 5, 6, 2, here we get 265 left hand side and right hand side is 225. So, therefore, it is not a right angle triangle. Third sums 11, 60 and 61. So, greatest number is 61. So 61 square is equals to other two 60 square plus 11 square. So 60 square, 6 6 are 36 and 00. 11 11s are 121 and 61 square is 3721. So after adding this 0 plus 1 2 7 3, so we get both left hand side and right hand side equal. So therefore it is a right angle triangle. Now fourth sums. Yeah, greatest is 1.7 and other two is 1.5, 1.6. So 17 square is 289. So decimal. See how to multiply decimal. Just now we did. ये पहले किया था 17 का स्क्वायर, बट यहाँ पे डेसिमल है तो before one number, so 1 plus 1 2. So in answer before 2 number, so 2 decimal 89. Similarly goes with this. 15 का स्क्वायर होता है 225. So before 2 number decimal. 16 का स्क्वायर होता है 256 and before 2 number decimal. So decimal square करेंगे 5 plus 6 11, 1 carry 6 7 8 decimal 4. So yeah, left hand side and right hand sides are not equal. They are not equal. So therefore it is not a right angled triangle. Now fifth sums. Greatest number is 40 square, then 20 square plus 30, other two shorts number. So 2 2s are 4 0, 3 3s are 9 00, 4 4s are 16 00. I did all multiplication orally, all the squares orally. You simply do multiplication. Now 900 plus 400 is equals to 1300 and this is 1600. So again left hand side and right hand side are not equal. They are not equal. So therefore it is not a right angle triangle. Done.